Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I guess we're doing a vampire. So yeah, this is kind of the look that I came up with. Don't mind the mess. It'll wash away, it's fine. So if you want to see how I got this look, feel free and just keep on watching. So first I'm just going to start off with my Peachy base. I kind of have a vision in mind of what I want to do, but not completely certain. So I want to get like an eyeliner shaped brush. And so I think I want to go in with the black first. I know, right? A bit unusual for me, but I think that's just what I need to do. I am just going to go in with my Carnival 3 palette from Be Perfect and go with the black shadow. Obviously, whatever black shadow you got lying around, you carry on. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to map out my cut crease. I'm going to do a whole cut crease. So hopefully I don't pass out because I usually end up holding my breath for this. By the way, just don't worry if it looks terrible to begin with, because all the blending and all that will hopefully help us out. Okay, the next colour I want to go in with is this a chili pepper colour, which is just like a deep red. I'm just kind of brushing that on the line. Guaranteed, every Saturday, my neighbour's got to be doing something on his car. So how broke can your car be, honestly? Just take it to the menders. You obviously can't fix it. So next I'm going to go in with Blaze. It's just like a lighter red. Nothing special about it. Just a lighter red. And again, just kind of following the line. I feel like I never know how to explain these things, but I hope it's pretty just like self-explanatory. Like you can just see what I'm doing. And just kind of following the gradient and going lighter as we hit the brow bone kind of thing. What I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to go in with the black and then go in with chili pepper, the darker red, and mix them kind of together and go back on the dark there. And you want to make sure you're blending up with this so it, you know, looks more blended. Have any of you heard the new Little Mix song? Oh, and there's an Ariana Grande song, which is like my two favourite, like, you know, singers. And they both have a song out like on the same day. Like, that's kind of crazy. Total tune, total tune. I'm just kind of using this brush. I haven't got any extra product on it, but I'm just hoping it'll blend the red. I get a fluffy-ish brush. Just smooth that out. I'm going to go back in with Blaze, that lighter red, just because I feel like it's going slightly pink. Now I think I'm like alright with the blend. It is what it is. I'm gonna get rid of everything that's on the lid pretty much and just tidy it up nice and straight and stuff. Right, I'm then going to go in with a white base from Peachy, because it looks like we're going to look kind of dead in the face, so why not? So that's that eye done. Obviously we need to set it now before it creases. So I'm just going to go take a white eyeshadow. I'd probably even set this with like face powder or something. I'm sure it wouldn't make much of a difference. Like so. I'm going to catch the other eye up and then I'll be right back. I kind of feel like I want to do a wing. Just saying. So I think I'm just going to crack on and do my skin off camera because it's not really going to be that interesting, I feel like. You know, I usually do like my lashes and stuff like towards the end just so like powder and stuff doesn't get caught on them. Then I'll come back on camera and finish off the look. Sure, let's do that. As you can see with my face, I just kind of went really basic. I did minimal blush. I didn't go too overboard with blush because vampires don't usually, you know, have rosy cheeks. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I got some unicorn lashes here in the style Peachy Pie. There we go, we have our lashes on now. So we need to finish off the lower lash line. I was thinking like a really, really dark lower lash line. So I think I want to mix the black and chili pepper, the deep red together. And as you can see, I just kind of elongated like the inner part of my eye. So I'm then going to go in with a bit of a chunky pencil brush and I'm going to go in with red chili all on its own and just kind of buff that line. And then I'm going to go in with Blaze all on its own. Sort of brush that in amongst all the colours that we have going on. I'm just going to apply some lower lash mascara. I kind of like the colours it's kind of gone into. It didn't exactly look red, but it's gone like a bruised kind of colour. Yeah, I'm okay with it. I feel like I kind of want to do some like veins. So I guess let's do some veins. Okay, what colour are veins? Red chili, and a bit of the black maybe? That kind of made purpley. Kinda. So I'm going to go in with MAC Brick for our lips. So for liquid lipstick, I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills in Heathers. Then I'm going to go in with Tulip by Anastasia. So you can obviously just leave it like this. Completely fine for a night out or whatever. Or you could add a little blood. So I guess for the aesthetic, So this is the finished look. Just your standard, you know, makeup look. No biggie. So if you guys enjoyed this look, feel free and give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you thought of the look and if you enjoyed it. And also subscribe, that'd be also pretty great. And if you want to follow us on IG, my IG is lacy.makeup. Feel free and give us a follow. That's it. If you want to see more of these looks, just let me know. So yeah, until then, bye.